Here we're looking at the student master list. To add a new project, we have two buttons, individual and group. When we click the individual button, we are presented with a dialog box where we can enter the student's first name, last name, their category, and their topic at the top here. For category, we can select from the drop-down list, or we can simply begin typing and the program will finish it for us. That way, you can be entirely keyboard-based. The U.S. History Teacher and English Teacher fields will automatically populate the drop-down menu from information that was entered on the info page. However, both boxes are optional for the drop-down menus, but they do need to have values in them for this version of the template. So if you do not wish to enter specific teachers, entering any letters in these boxes will let the program continue. Once you hit the OK button, the program would fill in information for student ID, the project ID, and once the group is selected, which we will show in a later demo, the judging location and judging time. The period for U.S. History and English teachers will be presented immediately after the teacher in these two columns. To insert a new group, we use the group button, and on this first tab, we can select their category and their topic and whether or not they need electricity. Then each student has a page or a tab very similar to what is shown on the individual dialog box. And we can enter up to 5 students or as few as 2 students. Then hit the OK button and all that information would be entered into the template. To edit any group or individual, we use this edit button. And in this field, we enter the project ID, and that is this column right here. And once that is entered, the dialog box for either group or individual will appear preloaded with the information that was entered previously. You will be able to edit this, and then hit the OK button, and the sheet will update itself. Also, if you wish to delete a project, then entering the project ID here and checking this checkbox will delete it. The sheet can be sorted with this sort button by any of these different columns. And as you see right now, I'm sorted by first name. Whatever you sort by will turn blue.